Hi, everybody. Okay, I have just started using a new app. It's called Kami. It allows pupils to write directly on PDFs. In other words, all the Bagut exams. And it makes life really easy for me because I don't have to spend all the time converting things into different ways for you guys to access the Bagut exams. It doesn't cost you anything. It's on Google Classroom. It just means that the first time you use it, it's going to ask you a few questions. So I'm signed in as a pupil. So this is what your assignment looks like. Here is like instructions about Kami. This is the original PDF, which is the English Bagrut for Module E. And over here, you choose Open with Kami. So when you choose Open with Kami, it says almost there, tell us more so we can customize Kami to your needs. Now, it's also probably going to ask you if it can access your Google Drive, and you say yes. Okay, it's fine. It's your school Google Drive. They're not going to be, I don't know, breaking into your account or anything. In this case, you guys are students. Okay, I'm a student, and you do finish. And then without any big problems, all you need to do is go to the questions, and it like lets you write on it by making a text box. Wait, I've never done this before, so why isn't it letting me make the text box? There it is. There's the text box, and you start writing, and you answer. Or, for example, when you've got here where you have to choose an answer, you could either draw here, like make a check mark. Well, I'm not really very good at drawing, as you can see. Or there are shapes. Let's see what shapes it gives you. I don't know. Let's see what kind of shapes we could make. Let's see. I could fill this thing in, I'm sure, with red, but that's a matter of just playing with it. Or make any kind of sign here that lets me know that here is what you're trying to answer. And so on and so forth. It's really not a big deal. You guys are my clever, clever, clever 5-1 11th graders. So I'm going to try it out first on you. It's basically the easiest case scenario of how I could assign things by distance, and you guys just do it. I mean, it's not that much easier for you at all than any of the other things, right? But it's very time consuming for me to make this stuff. So if we can manage with this, it would be really great. And then when you're all done, you do turn in, okay? And you do turn in after you write all over this Bagrut exam. It's taking a minute to think. Okay. And as you see, you have submitted it. If you realize you made a mistake and you want to redo it, you can then do unsubmit. So now I'm going to pop over here, and I am going to just refresh this. This is the assignment. I'm going to do student work. And lo and behold, I see that ET, that's my student account, has done this. Okay. And it's going to open it, and I will be able to see the rubbish that I wrote on here. Isn't that easy? Yes, it is. It's just your first time you do it, it's going to ask you if they can link to your school account, and you say yes. You might have to write in your school account. I understand it also works on telephones. I haven't tried it, but you guys can try it out. So we're going to give this a try. I'll see you all on Sunday. I'll be at school. Come on into the computer room. I have saved the 2 computer rooms for you guys. So I'll see you then, and let's give this one a try. Bye-bye.